Hey guys, in this video we're going to teach you how to increase your video retention rates.
We've managed to increase our retention rates from the mid-30s to the high 70s, and we're going to show you 4 strategies that you can use instantly to double your retention rates.
This is often overlooked but so important because higher retention rates leads to higher watch time, which dramatically helps your visibility in search.
But also with increased retention, you're much more likely to get new subscribers and get people clicking on your calls to actions.
Also, this video is brought to you by HubSpot. If you didn't spot the orange wall, or the t-shirts, or Pete's HubSpot tattoo, or all of these HubSpot logos. Love you, HubSpot.
People often tell us, Andrew and Pete, you're great on video. But little confession, this wasn't always the case.
Like everyone, we have been through that I want to just curl up and die out of cringiness phase of getting going with video. But we have learned through all the embarrassment and humiliation how to create way better videos, and over time our retention rates have shot up. A lot of this wasn't accidental either. Here's 4 things that we've done to improve.
Number 1, we discovered the energy drain theory, and we actually named it this, so if you're looking for a citation, Andrew and Pete. Basically, video sucks the energy out of even the most charismatic of people. So if you're not giving it your all, your absolute best, it's gonna show and people are gonna switch off. So if you're giving it like a 7 out of 10 energy level, that's gonna come across in the video as more like a 3 out of 10. Boring.
Or a 2, or a 1. So we want you to go wild in front of the camera. Give it a 15 out of 10. Give it a 20 out of 10. Defy math. Right now, we feel like someone's going to storm in here and say, Andrew and Pete, calm the hell down. But when we watch this back, we'll know we'll come across as slightly animated. And that's what you're aiming for. Slightly animated.
Number 2, we learn the script and jump cut combo. Write the script and don't just wing it with your videos. If you're winging it, you're probably not going to be as concise and well thought out as you potentially could be. You're gonna end up waffling and your retention rates are gonna suffer. And for all those people that tell us that you can wing it and still create a good video, just imagine if you did actually script it and think it out. It'll be so much better.
Missed potential. Because a waffling video is going to kill your retention rate and a baby rabbit somewhere, just in case the killed retention rate wasn't quite doing it for you.
Poor rabbit. So script it through. We love scripting it word for word so that we can make the perfect video, especially for you, HubSpot. Now we know there are some anti-scripters out there, that's absolutely fine, but at least make some bullet points, put them in the right order, and then maybe just expand on them a little bit, and then expand on them a little bit more, and boom, you've got a script!
Then this is what we do to make sure we are 25 out of 10 on the energy. We learn what we're gonna say, we deliver it, we recharge with coffee, and then we deliver the next line.
Then, in the post-edit, all we do is seamlessly edit out and cut all the bits where we're learning our next line. Just like this bit right now, which is probably going to be cut.
Yeah.
Cut. Cut this line. Cut it!
Tip 3 is to use on-screen animations and graphics. You may like your face, your mother may like your face, but guess what? After a while, looking at your face just talk to the camera with no other visual stimulus can just be really boring.
It's a bit harsh, mate.
Boring you are.
So use things like titles, graphs, emojis popping up on your face, or very important points coming on as text overlays, or even music, dramatic music, really, really dramatic music, just to tingle all the senses.
If only smell-o-vision was still a thing.
That'd be so cool. It'd be like, smell tube.
Even with the most basic editing software, you can have things like titles or images or graphs popping up on screen. And with free design tools like Canva at our fingertips, it's easier than ever to create. So there's really no excuse.
Number 4 is to keep your audience on their tippy toes right till the very end. We did a full retention audit on our channel recently, and we found that our retention rates were taking a nosedive towards the very end because we kept on signaling that the video was almost over. Phrases like, I hope you enjoyed that. That's it for this week, or in summary, basically just signals to the viewer that your video is coming to an end and there's no more value to be had. Just crappy calls to actions.
Don't do that. Disperse your calls to actions throughout the video.
Like, subscribe to this channel.
And if you're asking for engagement or asking for them to download something or asking for an opinion, then disperse these throughout too.
Giving your viewers these questions or actions to do is going to keep them engaged throughout the video and increase your retention. Make sure to keep something amazing till the very, very end, just like there is in this video.
You want to keep your audience on their toes, like they're just watching this video and then all of a sudden, Pete's wearing a mankini, Pete's wearing a cowboy hat, Pete is naked, whoa! Keep the value going until the very end.
So with that in mind, we have one more tip for you that is super, super easy to do. It's going to massively increase your retention rate, and yet everybody seems to do it wrong. First, a quick shout out to HubSpot, who have recently just launched HubSpot Video. Hence this rocking video about video.
HubSpot Video is going to allow HubSpot customers to easily embed video in their marketing emails, add lead gen calls to actions in the middle of videos, and create personalized video replies via email for marketing or support.
Awesome! Go check it out in the link below this video. So shall we tell them the final tip?
I feel like we should tell them
Come on
the
then.
final tip.
Give it.
Right at the start of your video, tell people why they should bother sticking around till the very end. And don't waste that precious time introducing yourself or plugging your stuff. Tell people what they are going to get from watching your video and get them excited for it. Whet their appetite.
Thank you so much for watching.
I've been Andrew.
I've been Pete, and we love to help businesses get faster results from their content marketing. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more marketing unboring.
And we will see you next time.
Woo! See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
HubSpot, HubSpot, HubSpot. This is the HubSpot song. Pete's wearing a girl's top. Everyone sing along. Just made that up. Spot.